Hi digital marketers. This is Faisal Amin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how can you set up text copy event, and you have to push listener code to track the any text copy. Thus, just think that anybody comes to your website, they are copy on you any website text, then you can able to track those people who with that text copy. So let's get started. And before started, I presume that you already know that how can create the tag triggers variable. If you do not yet, then go to my YouTube channel. From here, you can learn how can create all of that. So let's get started. You can see that I am set up that custom HTML text copy event, and by this event and customized by this custom HTML code, you have to able to activate the event. So if I go to the preview on it, continue, and that is our website. If I go to the anywhere and copy the text, suppose I am just select this text and right click on your mouse and copy it. If I click the copy back to tag assistant, here you can see that text copied event is fired, and with this event you have to you have to find out the text copied. If I go to the again, select anything, just I'm selecting this and copy this code back to tag assistant. Here you can see the text copy and your text is showing here. So that is very simple. You have to find out that. So now how can you use to on it for your Google Analytics, for Facebook, Google Ads, whatever you can use for multiple social media platforms. So I'm going to my Google Tag Manager, new, and if I go to the Google Analytics 4 and Google Analytics GA4 event, and here I'm putting the measurement ID and just show the dummy measurement. I'm giving the measurement ID on it, and you can see that tag is not found in container. This is my another container. Just I am look at you. How can you create that? Back to tag assistant, and event will be the text copy. So I'm copy the event name from here and back to my Google Tag Manager, paste the event name because that is our event custom event name. So I have to provide the text copied event, and as the event parameter you have the option to adding event parameter. So first one is if I go to the again tag assistant, that is copy clipboard text. So I'm copy the name from here. You can giving the any kind of name for in Google Analytics for the reporting in Google Analytics. So I'm creating the variable for it value. So plus sign to create the variable configuration, that will be the data layer variable. The variable name is clipboard text. If I again go to tag assistant, here you can see that we do not find anything more, just clipboard text. So I am putting the clipboard text, that is DLV clipboard text, save it. And by using this variable, we have to able to see the copy section of your website. And you can also adding the base path, and we know that we have to find out the built-in variable base path, and also page URL. So I'm adding the page URL, and for the triggering, I am adding the event name. So plus sign trigger configuration. That will be the custom event. And if I go to the tag assistant to find out the event, here you can see the text copy. That is our event. So I am giving the event name here, and that is the event text copied. Save it. So your tag is now giving the tag name GA4 text copy, text copy, text copied. So save it. Your GA4 is done. You can go to the Facebook tag configuration and press pixel. Just here giving the any pixel and check it out. This tag is so you just I'm just putting the dummy pixel code, and we do not use the standard event. We are using the custom event, and custom event would be the text copied. Here you can see the text copy, and back to our Now custom event, and for the data object properties, you can adding the property. So I'm back to tag assistant. First with the clipboard text to sending the Facebook interface. That would be already we are creating the already variable for that. That is deal with clipboard text and page URL. Here you can see the page URL and second one is base path. And you can also avail to the base path on it and triggering will be the already you have to create you can text part. So that is for the Facebook text copy. So we are done for Facebook. So I hope you understand how can you set up a tracking process for text copy for the different type of social media platform, and you can also create it for Google Ads. Firstly, you have to add in. So for the Google Ads, you can go to the Google Ads platform, Google Ads conversion tracking. Here you can adding the conversion ID from the Google Ads conversion level, conversion value. Conversion value we do not find out here. So you have to go to the triggering. So in the triggering section, you can find the given text copied here. So finally, we are perfectly see that how can you push this event on your Google Tag Manager, and how can you use it for the different kind of social media like Facebook, Google Ads, and Google Analytics 4. And you can also create for just for this TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat for everything. So you can check out my all videos in my YouTube channel and check out also playlist that you can understand how can create all of them. All of them. So thanks for watching this video. I will see in the next video with a new topic. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.